Why I'm ano eh. I feel so warm.
No, it's just an illusion.
Yes. Oh, it's refreshing. This smoothie. But it's healthy. It's still okay, anak. It doesn't taste bad, anak. There is ano, anak. There's a cucumber, spinach, apple and banana, and turmeric. Healthy.
It must be because the apple is
so
sour.
Hey everyone, good afternoon. It's Monday and it's nearly 10 to 4 in the afternoon. I hope everyone is having a lovely Monday evening, afternoon, or morning. We just came from outside. We walked for a little bit, maybe around
40 minutes.
40 minutes?
That's not little.
It's a good exercise though. So it is really warm outside. I think it's 21 degrees Celsius, and but the good thing is there is the breeze. It's breezy. So you don't really feel really warm, like humid. So, well, today is our day
63
of the 90-day challenge.
So close.
Yes.
27 more.
And today it's about
The
power of inspiring others. So, guys, the power of, for those who don't know us yet, so I'm the person behind my business page, RBA Digital Enterprise, and my name is Roselle, and this is my son.
My name is Kirsten.
Yes, and we are doing this Go Live to
It's not easy.
share with you guys about this life-changing opportunity and to share more,
knowledge,
to inspire you and share some knowledge with you guys. So the power of inspiring others cannot be overstated. Inspiration has a profound impact on individuals and communities, driving positive change, fostering resilience, and creating a ripple effect that can lead to significant achievements. So guys, here's a look at how inspiring others can make a difference. Yeah, you're the one.
Oh, what?
Yes.
Number one, it gives motivation and drive. Inspiration serves as a powerful motivator. When people are inspired, they are more likely to take action and pursue their goals and passion and determination. For example, consider a leader who shares their personal story of overcoming adversity to build a successful business like us. This can inspire others to persist through their own challenges, believing that they too can achieve success despite obstacles.
Yes. So that's number one is motivation and drive. And number two is fostering resilience. Inspiration helps people develop resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks. So when people hear stories of others who have faced and overcome difficulties, they learn that failure is not the end, but a step towards success. Well, for example, a community member who talks about their journey of starting after a major setback can inspire others facing similar situations to keep going and not give up. That's why it's very important to share in your story so you can inspire other people too. So when they're facing the same situation,
if they're down,
yeah, if they're down,
the mental isn't
they're
good,
frustrated, or so, yeah. you can help them to be, not to give up. So that's the power of fostering resilience.
Number 3, creating a positive environment. Inspiring others contributes to a positive and supportive environment. It encourages a culture of mutual encouragement and optimism, which can enhance overall well-being and productivity. For example, in a workplace setting, a manager who regularly shares uplifting stories and acknowledges the efforts of their team fosters a more engaged and motivated workforce.
Creating a positive environment.
That's what you need, guys, if you have a business.
Yeah, you need
or a workplace.
It's very
So
important.
You're not bored or down.
Yeah, and it's good to have people who are also have positive energy around you. So number 4 is empowerment. So when individuals are inspired, they feel empowered to take control of their own lives and make positive changes. Inspiration provides the confidence and belief needed to step out of comfort zones and explore new possibilities. So, for example, a teacher who inspires students with stories of motivation and creativity can empower them to think outside the box and pursue their passions without fear. Yeah, with stories of innovation. Yeah, a teacher who inspires students with stories of innovation and creativity.
Number 5, ripple effect. The impact of inspiration often extends beyond the immediate circle, creating a ripple effect. Inspired individuals can go on to inspire others, spreading positivity and motivation through their action and words. For example, a social media influencer who shares their journey of personal growth can inspire their followers to embark on their own paths of self-improvement, who in turn may inspire their own circle. Yes.
Yeah,
very true,
it is ripple effect. That's true.
One person can change.
It's like a water with ripple effect. So when one person is really positive, so they can also spread their positivity and motivation to other people. So number 6 is building community and connection. Inspiration helps build strong connections and a sense of community. Shared stories of inspiration can bring people together, fostering a sense of belonging and shared purpose. For example, like in our community, a leader who organizes events, meetings where members share their success stories can create a more cohesive and supportive community, united by common goals and mutual encouragement. So that's what we have that's why we have a global supportive community on our online business. That's why a lot of people are being successful, because they're not doing this business all alone.
And they're being inspired and pushed to be better each day. No matter how little, it counts. It builds you a foundation, a very strong foundation.
Yes, definitely. That's why if you want to start your own online business, maybe you can check this out, because you'll never be alone on your journey.
There is over 200,000.
Yes.
In different walks of life.
Global.
There's people who didn't finish
high school
or university.
Yes.
And now they're earning 4 to 5 figures every week. That's like amazing.
It
That's a
is.
full year's salary to somebody.
Yes, definitely. That's why, come to think about this opportunity that we're sharing with you guys, and maybe
Check it out.
check this out.
You don't have to go in if you don't want.
Yes,
Just
yes.
at least check it out.
We're just sharing this life-changing opportunity. So for you to check this out, maybe you will, if you're interested, you can join, or if not, it's okay.
At least you check
At least you
out.
check this opportunity.
Because you never know, you might regret it later, you know.
That's true.
Later in like 5 to 10 years, you're like, I don't like
Yeah.
doing this job, or I don't like doing this.
Because there's lots of people here are already
Retired.
and just doing their business, even the nurses, and ordinary people,
Engineers,
lawyers. But some of them are still working
they,
while doing this business because they love their job.
Yeah, they're just
enjoying,
way more
yeah.
on the side.
That's right. So yeah, if you want to check this out, guys. So in conclusion, guys, inspiring others is a powerful tool for driving positive change, both on an individual and collective level. Because by sharing experience and overcoming challenges and celebrating successes, we can motivate and empower others to reach their full potential. And this creates a cycle of inspiration where each person's achievement and resilience fuel further growth and positivity in the community. So guys, whether you're a leader, you're an educator, you're a community member, business owner, or simply someone with a story to tell, your ability to inspire can have a lasting and transformative impact. So take the time to share your journey, uplift others, and contribute to a culture of inspiration and empowerment. That's why it's really important. That's why lots of them, most of us in our community shared our own story. So to inspire other people, to inspire the new business owners that's having difficulty of time, or because we really want them to move forward, to be successful in this business. That's why we are helping each other to succeed, guys. So I think that's all for today, and I hope, guys, you're able to get some knowledge on the topic that we shared with you today. And have a great day, and thank you for watching and for following us. Bye, guys. I cannot reach it.